Hey guys, I'm RJ with Xprite. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our Pillar Series marker lights. As you can see, they're installed here. On the opposite end we have the stock ones. Alright guys, so what we did is we removed the connector for the stock pillar lights, and we're just connecting them up to our Xprite pillar lights. The reason why I did this is just so we don't have to cut into the wire harness coming directly from the vehicle itself. We just use the ones on the previous lights. Alright guys, once you've spliced your wires together from the stock harness, you want to make sure you grab the included hardware nut for this middle post and put that on prior to installing your light. Make sure you tighten it down all the way. Alright guys, this is how it's going to look before you're ready to finally install the light. Make sure the red is of course in the back.